Our top story, air quality in Singapore is in the unhealthy range after the haze worsened dramatically over the course of today. The Pollutant Standards Index, or PSI, started in the 50s this morning, then breached 100 at 3 p.m. before hitting 152 this hour. That's the highest in 16 years. And the hazy conditions are expected to persist over the next few days.
Singapore shrouded in haze. Whether in the heartlands in Toa Payoh or in the city at Marina Bay Sands, it was hazy skies all around the island. The smoke haze from the fires in Sumatra has affected Singapore since 13 June. Many had hoped it would clear with the rain on Sunday night, but that was not to be.
Earlier this morning, the smell is very bad. I mean, the smoke is very smoky, so it helps us to feel better.
It's outdoor jogging, so it will be like not suitable for now. The weather is very bad now, so it's better to stay at home to do some watching movie.
For today, I think it's first time I'm seeing like this. So if let's say in few days time, if I'm getting any like sore throat and so on and so forth, then I'll be wearing a mask or something. Other than that, then if tomorrow is okay, then it's okay lah.
A check by Channel News Asia with several clinics and doctors revealed no spike in the number of haze-related cases. But one doctor had this advice.
If it's not really crucial to be outdoors and exercising at this time, so I would actually advise, no strenuous exercise outdoors, especially for the elderly with who may have like heart problems, respiratory problems, the very young, the children. Now it's not a really good time to be out playing in the pool or riding their bike. As long as the PSI is above 100.
Meanwhile, government agencies have also issued health advisories. The Manpower Ministry says employers have a duty to protect the safety and health of workers. It urges employers to carry out proper risk assessment, including specifying when to stop work to ensure risks identified are minimized or mitigated.
Now, we've been hearing from a lot of you about the haze, in particular about the overwhelming smell of smoke. Some of you even say that your eyes have been watering. Now, here's what the Marina Bay skyline looks like at 9 a.m. Twitter user Jory Messer sent us this picture when the PSI was 55. Now look at how the scene changed dramatically at about 2:30 p.m. The sky looks almost ominous in this photo from Meng Han. Still, some brave people ventured out to take in the view at the Art Science Museum. Some of you submitted before and after pictures, and here's a juxtaposition of Kim Kiet in central Singapore between 3:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. And Josephine Shi sent us this picture of the Park condo in Clementi. So here's why we're getting the haze. Singapore's Met Service says dry weather is affecting the region. Those red dots you see are scattered hotspots from forest fires, mainly in central Sumatra, Indonesia. 138 were detected yesterday, and with prevailing winds blowing from the southwest or west, the smoke and haze is reaching Singapore and peninsular Malaysia. Now, moving on, Singapore's National Environment Agency says it's been in touch with the Indonesian authorities about the situation. And in case you're wondering, the highest PSI reading here was 226 back in September 1997. In 1997 and 1998, the haze crisis was at its worst across Southeast Asia. It caused widespread health problems and cost the regional economy billions of dollars from business and transport disruptions. Welcome back. In news just in, Environment Minister Vivian Balakrishnan has issued a statement expressing deep concern over the haze. He says he will personally speak to his Indonesian counterpart to convey the seriousness of the situation and that Singapore has renewed its offer of assistance to tackle the root causes of the problem. And a reminder that the PSI stands at 152 this hour.